Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Here in this video we are going to learn report writing. If you see the activity sheet of standard 9th and 10th, you will find in writing skills section question number 6b, news report writing. So friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get latest update from our channel. Here in this video we are going to learn about the question 6th B, expand the theme for 5 marks, and the B1, news report. First of all, we will learn what is report writing. Then we will learn the correct format of the report writing, and we will see the example of news report. So friends, let us learn what is report writing. A report writing is a written account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated. Now we will learn what is a news report. A news report is the one which is published in a newspaper. Now first of all, learn the marking scheme of the question report writing. There are 5 marks, total 5 marks for this question. Point 1, title and beginning for 1 mark. Point 2, vocabulary and grammar for 1 mark. Appropriate points, examples, message for 2 marks. Logical order, conclusion for 1 mark. Total 5 marks for that question. If you have to prepare a news report on the given headline, you have to follow the following steps. First of all, write the headline, that means then the byline means dateline. Here you have to mention place, date, then intro line, introducing paragraph, body of the report, and last point, conclusion. So friends, let us look into the format of the news report writing. The first point, headline, means a descriptive title that is expressive of the content of the report. Second point, byline, that means dateline. Here you have to write a byline is nothing but the place, time, into bracket date, and from whom the news is provided. For example, by staff reporter. Third point, lead line, that means intro. The introduction paragraph should explain to the readers what the event is all about, covering maximum WH questions. For example, what, when, where, and how. Fourth point, body of the report. Here you should write detailed information about the event. And last point, conclusion. The conclusion is a small paragraph. Here you can summarize the event, but it must be short and sweet. Let us learn how to attempt this question. Students, while you are going to attempt this question, you have to follow the following points. Point 1, read the question carefully. Point 2, select the proper headline into bracket title from the given question. Write the headline in the middle of the first page and in the first line. Point 4, prepare a news report based on the given headline. Point 5, it must be written in the past tense. Point 6, don't use first person pronouns, for example I, me, etc., but use third person pronouns. 7th point, use indirect speech in report writing. And last point, use passive construction while writing the report. Students, now let us learn model news report question with solution. See the question, read the following headline and prepare a news report based on it. Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Now students, look at the screen. You will find the answer of the question, and there are margin points at the left side of the page, but you should not write all these margin points in your notebook. These margin points are given for your help. Now we are going to learn the answer. See the first point, headline. Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Deadline. Here students, you have to mention the day, date and the place. See the example. Monday, 2nd March, Pune, PTI. PTI means Press Trust of India. Now learn the lead line, that means introduction. A 8-year-old boy was attacked and killed by a tiger on Sunday evening near Bharati Vidyapit University at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. See the next paragraph, body of the report. Sources said that the incident took place around 6 p.m. when Nandesh Sachin More came in the park with his family. While taking photos with his family, he was attacked by the tiger. He was grabbed and taken away few meters from his family. When people cried out loudly, the tiger ran away from there. He was unconscious. There were many injuries on his neck. Then he was taken to the nearest hospital, but he was declared dead. Now learn the last paragraph, that is conclusion. You should write it in short. See the example. Rakesh Sharma, forest officer, ordered to inquire about this incident. He said the boy was deadly injured and died at the spot, and a full inquiry will be conducted. Students, you have to write your answer in this pattern in your notebook. This is for your help. You have to complete your answer as per the example.